Hey tubers, 2006 Nissan Murano with a sometimes not starting problem. When I got to it, it started immediately. So from the customer, he saw the light in the left side of the dash, security light. There's the key. This is an intelligent system with no slot, just a press, but it's a turnstile key though. Turnstile, not a press, not a push button. Okay, so it starts again. Okay, going for the codes in the engine computer, and we got a bunch of codes there. Okay, the first two have to do with the fact that it didn't start, and the second two codes mean that there is a communication, there's a network problem, and that the PCM is not getting some sort of a message from one of the other modules. And the last one obviously says transmission is a problem, transmission electronics. So I'm going back to body computer to see if there's matching codes, meaning the body computer is responsible for security on this vehicle, and if there's codes, there should be some sort of a mentioning of it in the body computer, which is none. Okay, very suspicious. Now I'm going to show you the transmission, and we're going to try to draw a conclusion on this. Not the ABS, but transmission. Also confirm speed signal over the network communication. Okay, secondary pressure down. There's a bunch of problems with the transmission, and it also confirms the fact that there is a network issue in place. And again, body computer shows no codes. Now I looked as much as I could, and I see a little bit of water everywhere there. It's all wet there. But I looked up the dashboard to see the body computer, which is right there. Let me see if I can show it to you. Right there, okay? This is the body computer. It doesn't seem like it took any water, but you can only tell by pulling the plugs out. That's what I'm gonna do. But other than that, I'm gonna say it's a body computer problem, based on the fact that it's not showing any codes. It was acting up and caused other problems, but the codes didn't register with it. That's the logic behind it. All right, we're gonna get a new BCM, put it in, program it. Hopefully, all be well. Thank you, and subscribe, please.